There is this trend na ekoso. Ubehu obia na okuta toy gun. Mechere fake gun. And cry didi agro Christmas time. We ena Shatta wale BPA. Fakye showbiz so. Ena host ni ubusan about this trend na ekoso. Na new year ode maye ene nsem bebra okaka ho no. Ansa na yebekwa ko video no. Ahaye gossip top 10 so. And any day di kan odi abadwumadi so. Amesra so be subscribe no like it. No what turn on notification bell no. Said be ya dane day nyina the video to her ubenya bi ahwe.
Just a video. Let's watch the video.
Emano.
Where a healing video.
We only nyansa ko shop obenya nyansa. Emma, you know, women are the solution to men's problem.
Yes.
But men don't know. You know, because about me, you know, when my
my boss, you video na ma say, sa toy gun here. I want to disturb Kumasi ase.
Me ko who say, me ba me say, o china pese me ko please na me ko to me there.
Ko to there now.
Because me gang ko kuro china. Oh, baby, you know, sometimes in America, see, this is happening in America.
Okay.
And they are using water pistols.
Yeah.
Sometimes the world changes. And we human beings need to just understand.
Of course.
The only thing we need to advise the youth is that nobody should do a mistake. Now I go for ABR. Real guys now they cool. What am I say? But it is beautiful. It's a culture.
Yeah.
We don't know where as on to buy, you know. In Kofo, I can never be brave. And I say, okay, someone pay with their mum famu, match them with the Afrobeat. These are Afrobeat artists.
Yeah.
We always want to condemn things in Ghana, but we just have to just say at the end of bar, we have to find measures like a bit to me in place here, a bit to me SCV. That's occasion. If it's Christmas every time, imagine say, maybe a mama funny papa for be a partner, be a kita toy guns, maybe okay, mumu use the back no woman, but we use water pistol. It will be beautiful. Like it will be a culture for us. God loves Ghana, but Ghanaians don't love Ghana. That is the problem because Kumasi. Like people do stuff in Kumasi. Oh, they cry say, "Oh yeah, Kumasi, we be yawa, banku." Only expectation You know, we don't like to, you know, encourage stuff because video have me somebody people are commenting like, Shatta because of this your toy gun. People are say they be Kumasi money be dada. You can't show any American anything.
You understand?
They were oh
my God.
You know.
So Shatta, let me ask you this. I know, sir, you over 20 years now, you're a Jumaya, and you're very vibrant on stage. Wait me about 2 straight hours. Nana boy see, yaro for you know 5 minutes or something. I lost. What is your secret? How do you get the energy?
Well, I think it's my health. You know, I may check up every 3 months.
Wow.
You know, and sometimes when I'm overstressed, you know, I go to the hospital.
Okay.
Recently, I start say, you call hospital, and they say, baby, check up, and there's a many doctor not planning, but doctor don't catch us all, obey HIV, this and that, you know. And some say, each. But they will say, one don't continue there, or HIV, then me woo. And to say, doctor, now, or bomb pie say, we have a back. Normal. It's a result of buying us. I don't need Charlie, I respect you, I don't need, like, you know, the only thing I can say I do that I don't even do it much is, not first, no, me, but going up making money, like, to me, she one rule. It's a she's a billionaire. Them there too. But they were my dream, you know.
Yes.
I'm thinking so much about great things. So, you know, I can't even smoke like weed like the way I used to. And I don't drink too.
Okay.
Like, no man say like, if I'm not going to say if I'm met me, I brought a take Hennessy, one shot, no. But to smoke like, if you're between me, 1 rule, 2 rules. First, then I'm here, but me, and then
that's stress.
A waste of time.
Yes.
What am I saying? So, all those things I've been doing them. So for me to be on stage, I've never gone on stage, smoked weed before.
Wow.
I call stage, I'm a fight. But I focus say, Shatta or fuck cocaine or fuck. Sometimes me say, hey. Jesus. Yeah, because my energy, I'm on stage. If I take those things, I will black out. You know, so the only thing I do when I'm going on stage is pray and drink water. And some young boys say, "I'm more but there's all performing on Abraham." You see, okay, maybe also in the system, no, because I don't want to think negative about it. Because everybody in their system. So you know, my system is too energetic. Remember to me, go ahead. Those days I mean a trace from no. Girls, some me applause.
You too.
Energy, no. Wow. It's a natural energy that I have. You know, it's like people, I can go on stage, people come and say, "Hey,
okay, into threesome, no, it's a vibe, yeah. We are now here to continue. So once a while, we now they stream back.
Oh, once in a while.
Okay. I was a decorative bed, so.
Sometimes
go for your flowers.
This one, no. Obi obo worry.
Oh, city and a village.
Oh, village.